Now, this illustration again talks about foreign systems. In accordance with NEC 110.26E1b. Now, notice the structural roof and the 6-foot rule right above the equipment. Notice the call out is the foreign system should not be permitted in this dedicated space unless provisions are taken to prevent any kind of leakage, condensation, or breaks of piping and stuff that could leak a substance on the equipment that could deteriorate it. And notice we can read about these permissive rules and the main requirement rules in 110.26E1a and 110.26E1b. And then, of course, you have your headroom rule there, 110.26A3. And again, the equipment is a greater height. And notice it's a qualified person really standing in this work zone that's in front of it, at least 3 foot or more, and switching a breaker, Article 100. And this Article 100 for switching ties into NFPA 70E, which says if the breakers have been maintained in accordance with NFPA 70B, Chapter 17, and then notice 70E and 200.1, the informational note, recommends the use of 70B for maintenance procedures and interval checks and repair and switching and that kind of thing. So the clearance in working space is provided in accordance with 110.26A1 and Table 110.26A1. So notice the 110.26A1, the working depth of 3 foot is met. A2, the width, 30 inches of the width of the equipment is met. 110.26A3 is met with a headroom, which is 6.5 foot, or the headroom of the equipment. So this figure completely complies with the requirements as illustrated for foreign systems in accordance with NEC 110.26E1b.